Hello and welcome to this lesson on algebra. Today, we are going to learn about inequalities. An inequality is simply a mathematical way of comparing two things that aren't equal in size. Think of a balancing scale where one side is heavier than the other. Unlike an equation where both sides are the same, an inequality tells us which side is bigger or smaller. There are four main symbols you need to know. The first is greater than, shown in red. The second is less than, shown in blue. The third is greater than or equal to in yellow. And finally, less than or equal to in green. Let's break down exactly what each of these means and how to graph them. First, let's look at the greater than symbol. When we say x is greater than 3, we mean any number that is strictly bigger than 3. It could be 4, 5, 100, or even 3.1. But it cannot be 3 itself. On a number line, we show this by drawing an open circle at 3 to show that 3 is excluded, and an arrow pointing to the right, towards the larger numbers. Next is the less than symbol. If we have the statement x is less than 5, we are looking for numbers smaller than 5. This could be 4, 0, or negative numbers. Just like before, 5 is not included. So, we place an open circle at 5 and draw our arrow pointing to the left, where the numbers get smaller. Now things get a little different. This symbol means greater than or equal to. For example, x is greater than or equal to 2. This means x can be any number bigger than 2, but it can also be exactly 2. To show that 2 is included, we use a solid, filled-in circle at 2 instead of an open one. The arrow still points to the right. Similarly, we have less than or equal to. In the example x is less than or equal to 4, x can be 4 or any value smaller than it. Because 4 is included in our possible answers, we draw a solid closed circle at 4. The arrow points to the left, covering all the smaller numbers. Inequalities are everywhere in real life. Think about a speed limit sign. If the limit is 60, you can drive 60 or anything less, but not more. That is a less than or equal to inequality. Or think about a height requirement for a roller coaster. You must be at least 4 feet tall. You can be 4 feet or taller. That is a greater than or equal to inequality. Here is a quick summary chart to help you remember. Greater than and less than represent strict comparisons, and they use an open circle on a number line because the number itself is not included. The symbols with the line underneath mean or equal to. They include the number, so they use a closed, filled-in circle. Pause here if you need to memorize these.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.